Hey, all children love superheroes, robots, transformers, so that's why here in Playwood we decided to create our own range of superheroes. So here I'm presenting you the first model of it. Of this range, it's a transformer robot airplane. So you see, it can be a robot. I think he's pretty nice. And it can be also the real airplane with chassis, with wings. So how to turn it back from the airplane into the robot? You need just to do some simple moves. At first, you need to take off the chassis. Here is a small lever arm, so please press it and just take it back. Okay, there we need to take off some part, and here you see the legs. Then you need to close these things, yeah, and to take off the wings, and here you see the hands. So this robot, here on the back side there are two lever arms, and this robot can greeting you, yeah, see, just can say hello to you. So enjoy it.